Life hacks that will make your life much easier. You're trying to cut a rope and scissors aren't working. Place the rope under your shoes and rub the two strands together. This will easily cut the rope. If a thorn pricks your foot, rub garlic on it. This will reduce swelling and help the thorn come out easily. Bottle cap, strike the knife on the bottle, then hit the knife from underneath the cap and the cap will easily open. If mosquitoes are bothering you, hang garlic on top of a water bottle. The mosquitoes will flee. Having trouble moving the wardrobe, cut potato pieces and place them under the wardrobe. This will allow you to move it easily to another location. If the taps are dirty, apply Colgate toothpaste on them, then rub with tissue paper and finally clean thoroughly. If pimples appear on your face, make a paste of garlic, yogurt, and honey and apply it to your face. The pimples will disappear. Cut the top part of the bottle and make holes in its cap using a pin. Now, cut the balloon from the bottom and fit it on the bottle. This will be used to clean dirty sinks. If the car's headlights are dirty, rub garlic on the headlights and then wipe with a cloth. The light will become like new. If you're having trouble finding the TV remote, attach Velcro tape to the remote and stick it to the side of the table. If mosquitoes are bothering you excessively at night, take a lemon, cut it in half, and apply cloves on it. The smell of lemon and cloves will immediately repel the mosquitoes. If your shoes have become extremely dirty, rubbing garlic on them will make them look like new. Take an elastic headband and attach a paper clip to it. Use it while reading a book to keep track of where you left off. If you don't have glue to stick paper, rub garlic on the paper. It will stick easily. Cut the sponge from one side and insert soap into it. Now it will become an endless soap foam. Open the bottle cap and heat it, then wrap a bare wire around it. This will insulate the wire. If the lid of the jar is not opening, stick tape all over it, then pull the tape strongly and the lid will open easily. There's a small hole in the pipe. Take a stick and insert it into the hole and cut it off. This will stop the water from leaking. If there's too much oil in the curry, take a piece of ice and swirl it in the oil in such a way that the ice absorbs all the excess oil. If the vegetables fall apart when hot water is drained after boiling, place a wooden spoon on the pot and cover it. The water will drain easily. If the pipe has become dirty, cut a sponge and insert it into the pipe, then pour water from the top. This will clean the pipe. If the blade of the vegetable cutter has become dull, rub a cup on it in a certain way, and the blade will become sharp again. Take a sponge, cut it in a specific way, and now it will use to clean up barbecue grill. Take a few sponges, cut them into small pieces, and attach them to a wooden spoon in this way. This will work as a jar cleaner.